what an adjective is. If you, by way of revision, we should know that an adjective is a part of speech. What? Is a part of speech which qualifies a noun. It gives more meaning to a noun. It describes a noun. It gives a better meaning to what? A noun. Are you following me? So, but we are aware that you know this. So now what we want to look at is the order of adjectives and the kinds of adjectives we have. The order of adjectives and the kind of adjectives. All right, so types of adjectives.
Another one. Another one. On the table. This. Another one.
So generally, adjectives are classified as descriptive, as a descriptive adjectives, B, numerical adjectives. So what we are saying is that the general classification of adjectives is that either it is a descriptive adjective or what? Or a numerical adjective. Now when we're talking about descriptive adjective, grammatically they are known as what? Epithets. Also known as what? Epithets. That's what they are known as grammatically. So by the time you go to the institution and you decide that you probably want to study English, you go deeper into this. Now, descriptive adjectives, as the name implies, basically they work with what? Description. Like for instance, if I were to say, oh, that lady is beautiful. What am I saying? I'm trying to describe how that lady looks. I'm trying to describe the looks of that lady. Or, oh, that car is red. Or the car in red. Are you getting? I'm trying to describe the kind of what? Car. So that's where description comes in. Now, your descriptive adjective. Now, let's look at descriptive adjective. Descriptive adjective denotes the following. Like I rightly said before, it denotes the following because basically it helps us to describe. Are you following me? It helps us to describe. So it denotes the following. It denotes size. Like when you say, oh, that pot is big, or a big pot, the big pot in the corner. So it describes what? Size. It describes shape or form. It describes quality. It describes age. It describes color. It describes nationality. It describes
quantity.
No, quantity is when you not talk about numerical adjectives. Are you following me? So basically, we said that what? For those of us just joining, we said that what? We are trying to describe what an adjective is. And we said that what? An adjective can generally be classified as either descriptive or numerical. I said that the descriptive adjective, they denote the following things. They denote size, they denote shape, they denote quality, not quantity, please. Quality.
Ma?
They denote age.
Yes, ma.
They denote color, and they denote what? Nationality. Now,
Kiji.
why? On the other hand, numerical adjective. Okay, let me just. Are we done writing this?
No.
So before I even talk about the other part, know that when you have
English
an adjective that is formed from a noun is described as what? Is referred to as what? An adjective formed an adjective form from a noun. An adjective form from a noun is referred to as what? It's referred to as nominal adjective. So when you hear the word nominal adjective, you know that what this is an adjective that is from what? From a noun, like beautiful. Are you getting me? It's gotten from the noun beauty. You know now beauty is a noun. So it's gotten from the noun beauty. So another one is what? When you have an adjective that is formed from where? From a verb. We call it what? A verbal adjective. An adjective form. This is formed from noun. From a noun. Are you getting me? Like I said, beauty and beautiful. Are you getting me? An adjective formed from a verb is usually called what? A verbal adjective. So now let's move on to these other parts. I hope you guys got your assignment from the Google Classroom.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
English and mathematics.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All right. All right, so let's continue. So now let's take a look at, on the other hand, we now have what we call the numerical. So in this first case, we talked about descriptive. Now we're looking at the numerical adjective. Numerical adjective. Now, in the case of numerical adjective, what happens is that in this case, we look at numbers. Are you following me? So the numerical adjective is divided into ordinal adjectives, and cardinal adjectives. So we have the ordinal and the what? And the cardinal. Now, as the name implies, this is what? Numerical. So it deals with what? It deals with numbers. It deals with what? Numbers. It has to do with what? Numbers. Are you following me? It has to do with numbers. So now, in case of the ordinal, what do the ordinal adjectives do? So let's talk about the ordinal adjectives. What do they do?
The board.
You can't see the board.
Yes.
What about right now? You're able to see the board?
Not really. Not really.
It's not clear enough or what?
It's not clear.
I think right now it should be better.
I think I wanted to like this.
So now, in the case of the ordinal adjective, for the ordinal adjective, are you following me? The ordinal adjectives are usually modified. They're usually modified by an article or a possessive adjective. However, when we say ordinal, we're talking about when we say first, second, third, etc., etc. Are you getting me? While in the case of the cardinal adjectives, for the cardinal adjectives, they were talking about 1, 2, 3. So please note the difference. Ordinal, first, second, third has to do with its position. Are you getting me? While your cardinal has to do with what? Numbers, the direct numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. So now, moving on. Would for your ordinal adjectives, one thing, there are certain rules you need to know. You know, grammar is about rules. There are certain things you need to know about your ordinal adjective. Usually, they are preceded. They are preceded by an article or a possessive adjective, or a possessive adjective. Like for instance, for example, if I say the first person. Now, the first person. So this is for ordinal. the first person. The first person. Now, this first is being preceded by what? By D. D is the article there. Are you following me? You cannot just say first person. Are you following me? So it's preceded by what? By an article over there. Why your cardinal, for the cardinal adjectives, the cardinal adjective may or may not be preceded. Are you getting me? It may or may not be what? May or may not be preceded by an article or possessive adjective. Now, what do I mean by this? For instance, I can say two boys. I can say two boys. I can say example, two boys, and it will make sense. I can say the two boys. It still makes sense. I can say two boys or say the two boys. It will still make sense. But I cannot say second boy and that would make sense. It won't. Are you following me? It won't make sense. So basically, you need to understand your what? You need to understand the ordinal adjective. So let's recap what we've done. We've classified adjectives into two broad classification. We said that we have the what? We have the descriptive adjective and the what? Numerical adjective. And we said that the descriptive adjective actually denotes size, denotes shape, denotes quality, denotes age, denotes color, denotes nationality. Now, and we said that the descriptive, that if you have an adjective that is formed from a noun, it is called a nominal adjective. And if you have an adjective that is formed from a verb, we call it a verbal word adjective. Now, we should also go a step further. We'll also go a step further to understanding the second, which is the numerical adjective. And we said that the numerical adjective has two types. We have the ordinal adjective and the cardinal adjective. And we said the ordinal adjective has to do with when you talk about position, first, second, fourth, fifth, like that. First, 100. Now, why your cardinal adjective deals with what? Direct numbers. 1, 2, 3. And we said that your ordinal adjective, basically, when you are writing it, the rule there is that, or when you are discussing about it, the rule is that what is usually preceded by an article or a possessive adjective. What do I mean by possessive adjective? Can you give an example? Possessive adjective can be is. That is HIS, is. That can describe a possessive adjective. Is, as. It indicates what? Possession. As, theirs. Those are what? Those are indicators of what? Possession. So it can be preceded by that, like is first bag. My second attempt. My second attempt at the examination. So all of these are the rules that guide this. Now, there's something we call the principle on the order of adjectives. The principle on the order of adjectives. We need to do that first. The principle on the order of what? Adjectives. What do I mean by order of adjectives? How do you arrange your adjective? For instance, if I say black big boy, and I say big black boy, and I say boy black big. Which one of them has the correct order?
Big black.
Good. So the big black boy. Now, why is that? It's not as if this thing is there by magic. There is a rule, there's a principle that it follows. So we're going to look at that principle now. That principle is called the order of what? Adjectives. All right, so let's look at that now. So I'll rub off the board. So please, from your Google Classroom, you will discover that that some of the assignments you are given has a schedule, has a due date. So please try and endeavor to do that before your due date. Are you getting me? Before the due date. Usually your due date could be 2 days or 3 days, depending on the discretion the teacher wants to use. It could even be a week, depending on the kind of assignment you are being given. So, and you'll notice that some of your assignments will require you to answer on a sheet of paper, take a picture and return back, or type it in as a text. And there are some that are multiple choice. Although from my subject, most of the questions you should be expecting will be multiple choice. Most of the subjects, most of the questions, sorry. Most of the questions will be multiple choice. Now, what do I mean by multiple choice? We're talking about what you are familiar with already, OBJ. You understand me? So that it can be easily assessed. And you'll notice that for everything you are doing, you are being graded. So all of these points would accumulate over time. So please, you take all this seriously. All right. So now, back to what we are doing, order of adjectives. So what is the principle? There's a principle, there's a formula. Just like in mathematics, that you have formula for most things. There's a principle for this. So I'm going to lay it out for you. The order is up to 9. The order is up to 9. So we have 1. 1 is talking about determinants. Determinants. D. We call that D. Now, what are those determinants? What are those determinants? Can you give me examples of determinants? Who can? Examples of determinants. A, and, some. Those are determinants. Examples. So let me put this here. Examples. So this will be examples. In case you don't know them, examples. So we have A, and, some. These are the. So this tells you that when you have a sentence, when you're giving a sentence, this would help you know which order. This is telling you that this will come first. Now, the next thing we have is adjective of quality. Adjective of quality. Adjective of quality. Now, what do we mean by quality? When you are trying to describe quality, what does quality mean to you? For example, when you say something is strong, durable, exciting, all those has to do with what? Quality. It has to do with what? Quality. For example, let's call this AQ. AQ. So we have exciting, strong. Examples. Some of them I will not give you examples. I expect you to use your discretion. So the next order, the next thing you look out for, the third thing you look out for is adjective of size. Adjective of size or weight. So ASW, adjective of size or weight. What do you mean by size or weight? When you say small, something is small, something is tiny. Are you getting me? Or something is big. Are you getting me? Those are adjectives that describe weight. Now the next order is adjective of age. Adjective of age. Adjective of age. Now what do you mean by age? Somebody's age. Are you getting me? That is the adjective of age. So we call that a adjective of age. So new. Example, new, old, young. Those are adjectives that describes what? Age. When you say something is new, when you say something is old.
Yes, sir.
Another order that you look at is adjective of shape. Adjectives of shape. Of shape. AS, shape. When you're talking about the shape of something, is it cylindrical? Is it round? Round, cylindrical, circular, circular, square-like, all those things. The next thing is what? Adjective of color. Adjective of color. That'll be number 6. Number 6. Adjective of color. Adjective of color. Is it black? Is it fair? Is it dark? Black, fair, dark, all those. The next thing we're looking at is adjective of nationality. Is it Nigerian? Is it Igbo? Is it Yoruba? Is it American like I am? Number 7. So we said adjective of what? Adjective of nationality. Adjectives of nationality. Nigerian, Yoruba, etc. The next order, that'll be number 8, is nominal or verbal adjective. Nominal or verbal adjective. Nominal or verbal adjective. I already explained what this kind of adjectives are. An adjective obtained from what? Verbal adjective is an adjective obtained from what? From a noun. At times, when a noun is doing the work of. So at times, a noun can be represented by cutting, epic, raised. Then the last thing is the noun head. That is what you are describing. What you are describing. Noun head. Excuse me. In this case now, that thing is not. Hello, I'm with you. Hello.
No.
Now, for instance, when we said, so this is not the noun you are trying to talk about. So it could be a girl, it could be girl, it could be bag, anything. What you are talking about, like when we said the big black bag, boy, okay, boy. So what we are describing here is this boy. So this is the noun head. Are you getting me? Big. Yes. Big has to do with what? Size. If you look at what we have there, size, that is number 3. It comes before black, which is number 6. So you can say number 3, number 6, and then number 9. You understand? It's not 6, 3, 9. So the order helps us to be able to what? Arrange it. Because at times you could be given confusing questions by the examiner, and then you will not know how to do it. That is where the order comes in. Are you getting it? That's where the order comes in. For instance, let's look at an example. So we have a lot of determiners. Our determiners are not limited to a and some. Few, either. So you can write those down. Few is a determiner. Either is a determiner. Neither is a determiner. These, those, that, much, little, a lot, each, few, all, many, all as in ALL. many. All those are referred to as what? As determinants. Let's take a look at one simple exercise before we call it a day. One simple exercise. Let's take a look at one simple exercise. If look at this sentence. They said it has to do with order. He said, the man donated, or rather, the man donated a dash machine. A dash machine to our school. A dash machine to our school. To our school. The man donated a dash machine to our school. A, option A, they said a modern duplicating large. B, modern large duplicating. C, large duplicating model. And D, large modern duplicating. Now, if you are trying to, please, who has the answer to this? And I want you to give it to me based on the rule. You give me the number. You give me the number.
D.
You give me the number.
D. Large modern duplicating.
Large. The man donated a large modern duplicating machine to our school. So now, okay, I don't know what your answer is, but I want you to give it to me based on the number. If you are saying it is large modern duplicating, so large, what number is large? What does large represent? Does it represent quality? Does it?
3.
Does it represent size? Does it represent age, shape? What does it represent?
It represents size.
What? Large. Okay. If it represents size, then we say that large is 3, Abi. Okay, good. So now your modern. What does modern represent?
Age.
That's how I want you to do. I just want us to guess.
Age.
What does modern represent?
Age.
Age. Thank you. Age. Thank you. That is 4, Abi. Good.
Yes.
And then the last one, duplicating. What does duplicating represent?
Okay. Just like maybe nominal or verbal adjective.
Nominal or verbal verb, which is what? 9. 8. 8. So most times when you see ing, at the back of a word, it's most likely nominal or verbal. But in this case, now this is a verbal. Ing is a verbal. You will notice most of your verbs, your verbs ends with what? Ing, like going, coming. Do you understand? All those are what? Verbs. That's how you identify a verb. Are you getting me? So in this sentence, duplicating is acting as a what? As a verbal adjective. Are you getting me?
Yes.
So I hope it's clear. So do we have questions? Comments? So before we go, let's just quickly do one more. Then I'm going to send your assignment to the group, to the Google Classroom group. The assignment to be sent there to do it. And because others that were not able to join the class, they will get the video. I don't know if you guys have started seeing some videos. You just click on.
No, sir.
Man?
Yes, sir.
Some videos.
you see it now. Just go to those different subjects that you're doing. Some people have said they've seen it. So I want you guys to be able to explore Google Classroom, because I believe that by the time you go back to school, your school may even want you to start using it. So I want you guys to be able to explore it, get familiar with everything that has to do with digital learning. That is the whole point of this. Do you understand? Is to familiarize yourself, because learning has really changed now. So let's try and familiarize ourselves. So please,
Yes.
okay, let me give one last question before we call it a day. And I would send questions to your She fell in love. She fell in love with the dash officer. She fell in love with the dash officer. She fell in love with the dash officer. A, young, intelligent, British. B, intelligent, young, British. C, young, British, intelligent. D, British, young, intelligent. British, young, intelligent. So which one of them is our answer? D.
Yes, A. Fell in love with the young, intelligent British officer. A. B.
All right, B, intelligent, young, British. Thank you. So, yeah, give me the number. Since you said it's B. Intelligence, what does intelligence represent? What does intelligence represent?
No, you take the answer, then we get it. No.
Intelligence, what does it represent?
No.
Intelligence, what does it represent now? Let's talk. Quality. Quality. Quality, that is number 2.
Wrong.
Then
4.
4. Age.
7.
And then British, that is nationality 7. So that is 2, 4, 7. She fell in love with the intelligent, young British officer. You understand me there? So you can see that the ordering works. The ordering works. So try and familiarize yourself with the order. As much as possible, try and memorize it, put it in memory, understand the order, and you should be able to answer any question. So do we have questions? So later on, you check your Google Classroom for assignments pertaining to this. Do you have questions? If there's no questions, we call it a day. Thank you. Bye.